would you get involved in the conversation?
I'm vlogging, bro.
What, right?
Yeah,
Exactly.
Don't know. What?
Mommy says the opposite of what I say. Brendan, would you like to watch a movie with me? Or maybe he would like to watch it with his friends. Brendan, would you like to go to Disney World? Maybe he wants to go to Great Adventure.
Really? Logic.
Brendan, would you like to have spaghetti? No. Would Brendan like to have a hamburger?
Okay. Good morning, Breeper fam. That doesn't make sense. Good morning, guys. What is up? Shut up!
Yeah, you shouldn't talk because you say stupid things.
Good morning, guys. What is up? How are you guys doing today? Well, I'm doing good. So,
Or am I nice?
guys, I'm vlogging here.
Or are you not crazy?
I'm vlogging, people.
Or are you not vlogging?
I am vlogging.
Or is it not nuts?
I'm vlogging. I'm doing my intro.
Freaking family.
I'm vlogging. I can't even do my intro.
That is the intro.
That is the intro. I haven't said anything that we're doing yet. Good morning, guys. What is up? Sorry for that weird intro. Anyway, we are going to the beach today, so cue the montage. On them haters. Dab, Brendan, dab. Dab, dab, dab. So we're at the beach. I don't look good right now because I don't want I don't want the wind in my face because I really don't. Or I mean my hair in my face. So we're out here at the beach and they're really slow, so I'm gonna talk by myself. I'm recording my phone today or the past few weeks, because the camera's really heavy to hold and carry around right now until I get my G7X, because I really want that. But I'm out here. Well, we're going to see a few people. Yeah. So, here's some film stuff of whatever. So, yeah. Here you go. So we're at the beach and this is Liv. You'll see her more in the vlog. Oh my god. Spraying me for life. Clickbait.
You can't dance tomorrow.
Can't dance tomorrow.
Brendan, let's walk in.
I'm
gonna leave this here for you.
Okay. I'm vlogging here. Jeez. Busy. So this is Liv.
Hey.
And you'll see her a lot more. So, anyway, we're at the beach, and I think I already said that, but whatever. I'm gonna show you guys a little film of the water because, yeah. So, let's get into it. So we're still at the beach, and he's writing the fam briefers. So we're gonna wait till that happens. See the family name briefers. Yeah. Yep. Thank you. There you go. You're part of the fam. Briefers for life. Woo. Go.
What can I wish for? I already have it. My wish! Hold on, I need a picture.
I am crossing the street.
Brenna, here's my quarter, right? It's in my ear.
Still in your ear. And that does it for today's vlog, guys. Give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. Sorry the lighting's really dark because it's like Got it! Got it! Shout of the day goes. Shout of the day goes to Scott.
have a hard cover. How would we do that?
And if you want a shout out, turn on post notifications and subscribe because
I'm Brendan.
we know. So we'll see you tomorrow, guys.
I'm Brendan.
Ashkara!